welcome to my channel. So I did a tutorial using the Revolution X The Lion King collaboration and the palette Circle of Life, and this palette is very bold, and here is the end result. If you're interested in seeing the look I did for this palette and the brief swatches I provided up close, keep on watching. I hope you are having a great day and you're doing really well and your family's well, and yeah, I'm just wishing you a great day. And with all that said, I will start the video right now. Okay, so here are what the swatches look like. So we'll go with this basic one. This one's called Ed. And I'll put that as my transitional shade first. And I'm using my Sigma E40. So that shade was a bit patchy, but I tried to blend it out as much as I could so it doesn't look so harsh. Okay, so the next shade I want to take is Shenzi, and it's this one right here. And I want to use my Prolux blending brush. Okay, so using the same Prolux brush, I'm going to take the shade called Cave. This one right here. So that eyeshadow made it look like I have a bruise underneath my eye. So I think what I'll do is take the shade called Ed and pretty much blend it in with a different brush. This is a Sigma E45. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go dramatic, and I'm going to be taking the shade called Cliff. Oh, and I'm using my BH Studio brush and number 8. Okay, so I'm going to take two shimmers, and the first one I'm going to take Banzia. I'm going to take the shade called Banzia. It's like a satin shimmer that's like a burgundy color. And I'll put that next to the red And we're going to wet it to make it shimmery. Okay, so now I am going to be taking a shade called Defeated, and it's this bright orange satin shimmer shade. It looks like a red orange. And again, we'll wet it. One of the last shades I want to use is this color called the Outlands, and it's a very pale yellow matte shade. I want to take in another palette, and this is from L.A Colors, and it's in the palette named Lucky. And I want to take in this white shimmery shade, and I will also damp it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. May God bless always. Be well, be safe, and I will hopefully see you in my next one. Bye.